Nature plays a key role in human psychological well-being. Research shows that time spent outdoors and surrounded by greenery improve mood, lower stress level and improve concentration, strengthens the state of attention. Nature also helps restore emotional balance and improve overall physical and mental health. Appreciating nature means taking care of yourself and your health. So, taking time to get outside and connect with nature is very important. And the most important thing is to take care of nature. Birds, animal, and trees are very important part of nature. So, it's very important to take care of them. Take care of nature.